I am not exaggerating when I tell you that this tool is absolutely my best investment as a YouTuber. If you want one tool that can do everything from create graphics to promote on social media, plus allow you to make amazing thumbnails and channel art for your YouTube channel, then stick around because I'm going to walk you through this tool, let you know all the things I've done with it and all the things that are possible for you to develop your brand, grow your channel, and bring more people to your content. Content here on Creator Fundamentals is made possible by our sponsors. Today's video is sponsored by Soundstripe. Soundstripe offers thousands of high-quality audio tracks to take your content to the next level. And now Soundstripe has leveled up their service once again. Introducing Soundstripe Video. Soundstripe Video offers over 70,000 HD, 4K, and even 5K video clips to take your content to the next level. And with the introduction of video, Soundstripe now offers music, sound effects, and videos on one convenient platform. And with their curated video playlists, you're now able to find exactly what you're looking for in far less time. And for a limited time, you can use the promo code CreatorCrew to save 20% off your subscription. Now is the time to go pro with Soundstripe. Now, the first thing I want to start off by saying is that I tried this particular service a few years ago, and I thought it was kind of like every other service. It really didn't stand out from the crowd. I recently tried it over the past year for a second time, and I was absolutely blown away by how much they had grown and improved, and obviously listened to feedback from their customers to make a truly amazing product. The tool I'm talking about today is Canva, and I strongly encourage you, if you've tried it in the past, you need to revisit it because it's truly amazing. It's also important to note that this video is not sponsored by Canva. I just truly appreciate the product that they've created, and I wanted to share it with you. Let's jump into Canva and show you just a few examples of some of the things that I do with it and how you can use it to grow your YouTube channel. All right, so the first thing you want to do is follow the link in the description below or go to trycanvapro.today. It's going to bring you to this screen. There's an option here to try Canva Pro for free, so definitely click that. I'm going to log into my account. And this is the first screen you're brought to on Canva. You're going to have a bunch of suggestions for projects up top. If you've already created designs, which if this is your first time, you're not going to have a list of your designs, but you can get started from here. You can either select from one of the pre-selected ones, or you'll see that they have different filters up here, social media and events, and it gives you some different thumbnails to kind of look at a variety of different projects. If you want to create something and you know specifically what it is, you can type up here. We're going to say YouTube thumbnail, and you'll see as you start to type in, it gives you a variety of things. And it's not just YouTube thumbnail, there's YouTube music thumbnail, food, and you'll see if you select one of these, it's going to actually give you some templates that you can use to make really awesome thumbnails. For our purposes, I'm going to do a blank thumbnail just to give you an idea of how all of this works. We're going to take a look at the blank screen. It's already formatted in the right dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail. You'll see that there's a bunch of those templates on the left that you can try, but I'm just going to walk you through how to do it from scratch. If you do happen to select one of these, all of these different elements can be edited, so you can put your own look and feel on it. For most of their designs, you have the ability to change the color templates. So as you can see here, you can go in and say, I want that to be blue, for example, and it does that for you. Any place that yellow's used, maybe we're going to go red, you'll see how that happens as well. So you really do have some flexibility to really tweak the designs that they've given you, or you can go straight up scratch, and that's what we're actually going to do. So if we just type in YouTube thumbnail and go there, we're going to bring up the same thing, but we're going to click on blank. We're going to go from there. Now they have a variety of backgrounds. You can certainly start with one of their backgrounds for your thumbnails and create a really dynamic look. It gives you a lot of different textures that you can place in the background to really make your design stand out. I've actually used this one for one of my channels. It's a really nice look. Plus, you also have the ability to upload things. So you can actually upload your own background if you have something that you're currently using. You can certainly go into uploads, and I'll show you an example. So I've created this background. You can right click on it and go to replace background. It'll automatically fill in that area. Plus, for a lot of us, we're going to put our face on our thumbnail. And for many people, the process of actually cutting out the background of an image. So you take this image, you want this to be your thumbnail, and people go through some great lengths to cut out the background of a picture. And there's a lot of tools out there that'll do it. Some do it better than other. others, but the beautiful thing about Canva is you can drop a picture in just like this without doing any editing to it. Click on effects and then click background remover. And just like that, it's going to take out the background and give you a nice headshot that you can use for your YouTube thumbnail. So we're going to let it do its thing, and it's going to refresh and drop out that background. Just like that, we have a perfect thumbnail headshot to use to put in our thumbnail. So it's really amazing how good of a job it does. And if you want to, you can then take your picture, you can come into adjust, you can maybe spike it up a little bit, give it a little more contrast, and really make it stand out depending on what you're doing. And you're already halfway there and making an excellent thumbnail. Now you click on the text tool. There's a bunch of different things. They have like preset text that you can actually put on there and then just change it. If you put an element on your screen and you want to change it or get rid of it, you can just hit the garbage can over here on the right hand side. But we're going to go straight up text, and we're going to add it here, and we're gonna, let's see. This is easy. So you can add text nice and easy. You can come up here and select from a bunch of different text and styles that you want to use on your thumbnail. And it's really just up to you to find the ones that you want to use. And what I like to use is usually one of these new fonts, nice blocky, bold font that really stands out. We'll set that to white. You can see it stands out, but just super easy to compose everything. Once you have your thumbnail all designed the way that you want it, you can click download here in the upper right hand corner. Now for the purposes of YouTube thumbnails and most graphics, I would probably select JPEG and send it over to 100%, and then you download that image, and then it goes either default to your download folder where you normally download stuff off the internet, or you can set it up to go wherever it is that you'd like it to be. And there's really just so many things you can do with this. Now I want to jump back to the home page and show you some of the other things. I'm going to go into all my designs and just look at some of the ways I've been able to use their product. Everything from thumbnails like you see here to banners. We've done promotional elements that I've been able to use on social media to promote different services and things. We did Black Friday ads. It's just really easy. This was a simple one for Happy Thanksgiving. All I really did is throw a couple extra things in there to personalize it to me, but all this other stuff is all pre-designed in a template, and you just move things around, and it's just, it's like having a graphic designer in your back pocket, and it is just, the sky's the limit as far as what you need to do. In the past, there were different services like this, but none of them really kind of took care of all the things that you really wanted it to do. It is amazing all of the different pre-made templates that they have available for you here on Canva. And again, like I said, they're not giving me any money to make this video. I just absolutely love this product so much, and it's so versatile, and they've covered every base that I have problems finding any faults with it. They've really done an extra special job. For those of you who don't know, I've actually spent the last 20 years in the software as a service industry, so I'm very familiar with user interface, and I'm very critical of all the things that businesses do wrong in making software counterintuitive, and Canva is just getting it all right in this product. Everything from social media posts. And for example, let's jump in here and take a look. So like Instagram Reels, for example, so a reel video. They have preset templates here that you can go in and tweak. I think this one's kind of cool. Looks like a phone call. You can come in here and you can certainly swap out the video in the background, but you can come in here and say, hey, mom's calling, whoever you want it to be, and personalize it however you want. In the upper right-hand corner, when you're dealing with a video project, you can actually go up there and preview it like this and see exactly what it's going to look like before you actually download it. But now they have video. They have these fixed templates that you can use. I can't think of something that they haven't thought of in terms of where you can create these products. Look, we have social media, Instagram story, animated social media, TikTok, Facebook posts, Instagram story highlights, blog banners. I feel like they've covered every base, and they just continue to get better. If you're big on Pinterest, for example, they have Pinterest covered as well. And it's just amazing how thorough this is. So a Pinterest post, a bunch of predetermined or pre-styled posts that you can just come in and personalize, or you can go straight from scratch. Depending on the topics that you're covering, these can be great eye catchers on Pinterest to actually capture people's attention, get them to click on your pin and head over to your website. But I am absolutely thrilled with what they've done. They continue to improve their offering. And I want to jump over and look at pricing with you because I think it's really reasonable for what you can do with this. And you can even use Canva to help you make money. And I think because of that, it's absolutely invaluable. So if you're a one-person team and you pay for it yearly, it's $120. It's like $10 a month. It's really insane how affordable it is. And I would pay this over and over again. Out of all the tools I use, sorry to those companies, this is absolutely easily the best investment that I have made for YouTube in creating content, because it lets me create all my thumbnails. I used to use GIMP, which is like Photoshop, to do my thumbnails. And as you can see, I do all my thumbnails in here now. Super easy to create all the elements, compose everything here, download it, and get it sent up to YouTube. You can do your channel art in here as well as your headers and your banners for Facebook and all your social media. So they have really thought of everything, and I'm just really excited to see all the future stuff they add. It is totally worth it. I cannot recommend their service enough, and I'm super stoked to see what they continue to put out. But so far, as it stands, I haven't come across anything that I've wanted that's not already there. So I don't know where they're going to go or how they can go higher than they've gone, but I'm absolutely loving everything Canva's doing. And hey, don't forget this video has been sponsored by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is your #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free. There's a link in the description below, or you can go to trytubebuddy.today and get started for free. And hey, I would absolutely love to dive deeper into Canva and all the tools and things that you can do with their software. I want you to let me know in the comments below if you want to see more content like that. I will use your response to decide whether or not we do an entire series on making thumbnails, channel art, and everything else related to your YouTube channel and the promotion of your channel here on Creator Fundamentals. I'd love to do that series and really dive into Canva and give you guys all the information you need to take this service and really run with it, because like I said, sky's the limit. It can do just about anything, and I'd love to help you guys get it and use it and reach all the goals that you have for your channel. And hey, if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, don't let the learning stop here. I'm going to put a playlist on screen now of YouTube feature tutorials, so definitely click on that. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, that round button below me is a subscribe button. Hover over it, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.